Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on this V6 VW 3.0 liters engine, and I'll be doing a rebuild on this engine. So basically, this is the new engine I'm working on. Yeah, just bought it, and this is the old one. I removed it because it was having like grinding noise in the oil pump area, and I'm using this engine to build that one. So this one, I'm gonna do the timing chain on it, valve cover, injector seals. You can see like this injector are all leaking. Clean it properly, fix them in. Also this other side as well, clean them, put the seals, valve cover. You can see this one is a little bit clean, but clean them properly, valve cover. And also, like I said, I'm using that one to build this one. So I found out like in this one, in this engine, one of the throttle mounts, while I'm doing my inspection, one of the throttle mounts is broken for this one, and it's very difficult to put back in. So the best option was to move from that one, from that engine, and putting in this one. So this one is taking off from here, and this one I'll be putting back in. Yeah, so I have to like clean this up, put new sealing, new manifold, intake manifold seal, put it back on. Also, I have to like change water pump, the pipe seal, because the pipe is bent, and basically everything that needs to be there, bring it to this one to rebuild this one, do clean job, perfect job, you build it properly, look properly. And first of all, I'll just take it through the one I'm up to right now, is to clean this bit and put it in back in. So yeah, I'm showing you before how I did it, everything concerning this engine. I'll take it through. Just stay tuned. So next up is going to be the water pump, changing it, sand all these bits to move all the rust, then put the new one in. Then there's another one here, put new seals on just at the side of the engine. Yeah, so guys, the water pump is in, put the new one in. Then I need to wait for this O-ring. There's a seal there to put it in, and mysteriously there's, I don't know what you guys think, but VWs, they are really, well, I say, mysterious. So there's a seal here also, like round form. Let me show you. So this mount, aluminum casting, goes to there. So this pipe, you can see, goes to the radiator, and this goes to here. This casting goes in there, and this casting actually holds the water pump, the storing pump, and the AC pump. So getting this seal for this side is, let's say, it's just weird. Like, it's unavailable. I check online, even dealers as well. So drop in the comment section what do you want me to do. Should I pull it on just in with the O seal? I'm thinking that it's gonna leak, or should I just wait and do my research online, then order it? So I don't know. So that's it for now. Okay, I'll just leave that. So this inlet manifold, I come with the throttle mount as well with this other one. I've changed it, I've replaced them, changed them. I took it from this old engine, then put it there. So next I'm gonna like sort out the timing chain, sort everything out, do the timing kits, then clean everything up, change the wiring loom, because I moved the old one, put the old one, new one in the wiring loom, and clean the injectors, clean the seals, put cover gasket seals, put new injector seals. Then from the outside it's gonna be, yeah. So So I've cleaned the rocker cover, cleaned the oil injector, put all the new season. You can see all the new seasoning, and the other side as well. So next is just to put the rocker cover gaskets. So these are my rocker cover gaskets all cleaned up with new seal on. So next is just to pull it on. Yeah. So the rocker gaskets are all in. Yeah. And the other side as well. So next stop is the injectors. So the injectors, I have changed the seal, also cleaned it, all of them. So I just need to oil it and then put it back. Yeah. Hi guys, so all the injectors are in. So next is just to put the wirely loom. So I have to put the wirely loom so into these glue plugs, connect all. Yeah, from there I put all the injector rails and everything. So guys, all wire loom in. Even the return pipes and injectors, rails, valves all in place. So next is just to put the air pipes that goes in the front, then complete the injector rails, and from there we see. So I got new seal. For this pipe that runs through to the return feed lines for the cooling system. Also for this one, also this seal, I got new ones for the dealers. You can see in the dealers. So I've fully installed the water pump, new all bits all done. So next is just to put all the return pipes, and from there we'll do timing. Yeah. So you need to lock here because it's already off. Lock this side. Lock this. Your special tools. Need to lock the camshaft there. Yeah. So next is to move this chain. So it's all off. So next needs to just clean, brush, and that's it. The timing chain on. That's okay. That's okay. That's alright.